Okay, we got a very serious topic for you today.
It's Turkey Day.
It's turkey. We found a really simple way to have a great turkey dinner. We're having Thanksgiving today, but obviously through the holidays, it might be an option for you. So we bought a smoked Costco turkey. It's already pre-cooked. It's really good, and all you have to do is heat it up. Makes it real fast and simple, and it's delicious. We're going to show you. Okay, here's the Kirkland signature smoked turkey. It says it's smoked for 4 to 6 hours. You keep it refrigerated. The great news is you can eat it just the way it is and cut it up for deli. But what we did today was we went ahead and heated it up, and we'll show you that. But it's really tasty. I'll show you the price. Look at that. It's looking good and succulent. We baked this for about, I did real slow for probably 3 hours, but it says 10 minutes for, or 12 minutes for every pound. It's a 10-pound turkey, so that's like 2 hours at 350. That's pretty fast for a turkey if you've got a party coming and you want to make it work. Okay, there we go. It's looking good. Turkey's on the table. Fast and easy from Costco.
Our younger son prepared pie, apple pie. Whew, looking good.
While we're waiting for that apple pie to bake, our younger son also made this pumpkin pie. It was his first attempt. It looks really good. We're getting ready for that. And our older son made this just amazing stuffing. It was the best I'd ever had. Well, this is a very short video, but we hope the turkey tip comes in handy. And from our family to yours, we hope you have a great holiday season.